One of the ways that some marketers are getting traffic back to their website is to write books or basically they're writing a Word document, a PDF document, and they're posting it as a book on Amazon Kindle. They're selling it inexpensively, and of course, this exposes people that are not involved in their niche to what it is that they have to offer, and then inside of the book, they are then directing them back to their website. This is a strategy for you if you are a writer or you know how to outsource your writing to someone in order to have this done. Right now, you can see that these are people that are talking about YouTube. So internet marketing is something that people are interested in. So you can write about what you know about inside of internet marketing, or you can write in any niche that you have knowledge in. And you will find that because the prices are cheap, people will get these guides and then they will place them on their Amazon Kindle. The key to being successful in having your book seen is to write something and to have an attractive cover. You can have your cover designed in a place like Fiverr. Just go to the Fiverr marketplace, do a search for Kindle or Kindle cover. You can find some people who will do a Kindle cover for you. And this is something that is fairly easy to do. Now, if you are a graphics person or you want to have it more professionally done, you can certainly pay more for it, but you can have an e-cover, an attractive e-cover done on Fiverr for fairly inexpensively. Make sure you understand the policies for Amazon Kindle. Make sure that you understand what you can and cannot do inside of your Kindle book. Probably should be careful about putting affiliate links in that book, and you probably should be careful about putting clickable links back to your website. Now, if you want to direct people with an informational link, that's perfectly acceptable as it would be in any book, but trying to get it to make it easy for people to click back to your website, that's probably not what you want to do. This is a strategy where you're really looking to build credibility and you want people to come to your website because they want to after having read your book. So this strategy is not going to be for everyone. However, if you're a writer and you do have a knowledge in your niche and you do have credibility, well, this is a great way to get people interested and to find exposure to people that you would not find inside of trying to do blogging or in terms of trying to do traditional marketing. Now, one of the reasons is, quite frankly, that Amazon ranks extremely well for certain keywords. You're going to notice here for the term Atkins Cookbook that one of the top results here is Amazon. So this is a great way of being able to get in front of people with search results, and you are not necessarily even trying to do SEO. You've got a book where you are sharing your expertise and something that people want to know. And you can actually get yourself in front of people that you would not have had exposure to otherwise. So this is a great strategy. You want to get traffic back to your website and you want to get people interested in you because they have an interest in your subject matter. Creating a book on Amazon, getting it posted, getting it to the point where it's selling is a great way. Obviously, there are lots of strategies that you can follow in order to become a bestseller and all those other things. That is beyond the scope of this course, but you can write a book. You can get it placed on Amazon Kindle, and it's a great way of getting people interested in who you are and what you have to offer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.